Hi there, I'm Simona, a certified digital marketing professional. In my career, I've helped businesses like yours grow their online presence, increase engagement, and boost sales through targeted digital marketing strategies. From social media marketing to SEO, content creation, and paid advertising, I have hands-on experience with a wide range of digital marketing tools and techniques. I'm passionate about helping businesses reach their full potential online. Whether you're looking to launch a new campaign, optimize your existing strategy, or explore new digital avenues, I'm here to offer customized solutions tailored to your needs. My approach is data-driven and results-oriented, ensuring that every marketing euro you spend delivers a strong return on investment. If you're ready to take your digital marketing to the next level, let's connect and discuss how I can help your business succeed. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to working with you.